लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करा.
This is our chemical kinetics second lecture, and the sub points are important definitions, molecularity of reaction, and difference between molecularity and order of reaction. Here the important definitions. Number 1, rate of reaction, the change in concentration of reactant and product per unit time, called as rate of reaction. The reactant concentration get decreased, that's why minus sign is here, and the product concentration is increases, that's why the sign is positive, means that minus dA upon dt plus dP upon dt. The number second, rate law. It is the relation between rate of reaction, rate constant, and concentration of the reactant only, but not product. For a given reaction, the rate law is R is equal to K into concentration of reactant A. Number 3, order of reaction. It is the sum of the power of the concentration of reactant only. For a given reaction, the order of reaction is second order because concentration of reactant A and B rise to the power 1 1, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Molecularity of reaction. The number of molecules that take part in a chemical reaction called as molecularity of reaction. This molecularity of reaction is classified into two types. Number 1, elementary reaction, and number 2, complex reaction. The first type of molecularity of reaction is elementary reaction. The elementary reaction is nothing but the single step reaction, means the reaction which occurs in only one step, called as elementary reaction. And number 2, the molecularity of this elementary reaction is depends upon the reactant molecules, means number of reactant molecules present in the elementary reaction and not product molecules. The elementary reaction having subtypes. Number 1, unimolecular reaction, number 2, bimolecular reaction, and number 3, trimolecular reaction. The unimolecular reaction, only one molecule of reactant which is reacts or it take the part of chemical reaction, means that Br2 is only one reactant molecule here, that's why the reaction is unimolecular reaction. Number 2, bimolecular reaction, one molecule of H2 and one molecule of I2 which is take part in chemical reaction, called as bimolecular reaction. Number 3, 2NO plus O2, one molecule of oxygen and two molecules of NO is reacts in this chemical reaction, that's why this reaction which is called as trimolecular reaction. The second type of molecularity of reaction is complex reaction. What is complex reaction? The complex reaction which occurs in two or more steps. And the number 2, the molecularity of such reaction, means that complex reaction is depends upon reactant molecules present in slow step reaction. What is slow step reaction in complex reaction? Slow step reaction is the intermediate formation reaction, and the intermediate is nothing but here the newly species form rather than reactant and product in the overall reaction, which is called as intermediate, means that newly species which is formed in this reaction, called as slow step reaction. Number 2, this is fast step reaction. What is fast step reaction? this intermediate which is formed in the slow step reaction get consumed in the fast step reaction. The example of complex reaction is decomposition of N2O5. This is our overall reaction. 2N2O5 on decomposition it gives 4NO2 plus O2, and this reaction is occurs in not in single step but it get some several steps to occur. Number one step, this 2N2O5 is decomposed into 2NO2 plus 2NO3. In second step, these 2NO2 molecules and 2NO3 molecules, one molecule of NO2 and one molecule of NO3 is reacts further in second step and it gives NO plus NO2 plus O2. Here this NO molecule which is newly species form in this reaction. NO is absent in this overall reaction and NO2 and O2 is already here in this overall reaction, means the newly species which is formed in this reaction called as intermediate formation step or intermediate formation reaction, which is called as slow step reaction. Number 3 step, this intermediate is formed in reaction second, means that step second is get consumed in the step number 3, that is this NO is reacts with NO3 and it gives 2NO2, where this NO means that intermediate which is consumed in this reaction which is called as fast reaction. Here in this reaction this NO2 is get cancelled with this 2NO2. One NO2 is remaining as it is in this reaction. Then this NO3 means that 2NO3 get cancelled here. Now the remaining is that this NO and this NO, means that the intermediate is formed in this reaction and cancelled in this reaction, means that consumed. That's why now remaining is that 2N2O5 at the reactant side, and at the product side this NO2 and this single NO2, that is 2NO2, and this also 2NO2, that is 4NO2 is here and this is O2. This is our overall reaction of decomposition of N2O5. Means that here 2N2O5 is here, that is two molecules of N2O5 reacts, means that the given reaction is bimolecular reaction. The difference between order and molecularity of reaction. Order of reaction, the sum of the power of the concentration of reactant only, called order of reaction. And molecularity of reaction, the number of molecules taking part in a chemical reaction, called as molecularity of reaction. Number second in order of reaction, it is an experimental proof. Here molecularity of reaction is theoretical proof. Number 3, order of reaction have fractional value, while the molecularity of reaction is always whole number. Order of reaction may be 0, but molecularity of reaction cannot have 0 value. Order of reaction depends on reactant concentration and molecularity of reaction depends on reactant molecules.